Samoan preschool Aoga Fa'asamoa in Ponsonby is gearing up this summer to educate and involve young Pacific children to be a part of creating a more sustainable environment. The school learning criteria has encouraged young children to be more involved and teach them basic skills of composting, growing and maintaining a sustainable garden that grows fruit and vegetables all year round. With climate change affecting the Pacific regions, Aoga Fa'asamoa is making a small difference with a big impact. Having these children learn these basic skills, including cleaning and putting away their gardening tools, enables them to be aware of good produce as well as having fun and being interactive. From a seed, these children are able to grow their own fruit and prep it to the eating stage when it is ready, and then composting what they don't need to ensure their soil is rich for the next planting days. The school believes in giving them valuable lessons but also resourcing a cultural aspect of what it's like in their homelands of Samoa. They hope it becomes a positive habit and influences sustainability for the next generation. Awa e tautua nei, mo se tai au manuia.